come with me, ma'am.
Alright. What is your name? Ate.
Dorina po.
Dorina.
Maureen.
Maureen.
Hello, ma'am.
Nice to meet you. Alicia.
That's Alicia.
Yeah.
My puppy.
Welcome back to Waka Waka. I'll be here in today's walking tour. Where I'll be heading off to is Quezon City, and today is also my usual dental appointment in Cubao. So since Quezon City is beyond Cubao, I'll be heading off to Quezon City first to just do a walk around there, and then before 2 o'clock, which is when I have my dental appointment, that is when I'll be going back to Cubao to get my adjustment done, and then from Cubao I'll be heading back to Manila. With Quezon City, I mean, I've been there severally. One memorable thing that I did there was the Art Island, which was like ages ago, and really had so much fun there. But I'm sure there's more to Quezon City, and that is what I'll be finding out today. Something good? Okay.
Thank you.
Alright, no problem.
Wait, what country are you, ma'am?
Nigeria.
Nigeria.
Where are you going to?
I'm going to Quezon City.
I'm going to Quezon City too. Yeah. It was today that I knew that Quezon City used to be the first capital of the Philippines before it became Manila.
What is the time?
I need to check. Memorial Square. How much?
50.
I started my tour. I wanted to walk first, but I decided to take this right. What is this, Kuya?
Pedicab.
Pedicab. So I'm taking the pedicab, and it's gonna take me to the Emmanuel Quezon Memorial Square. So there is an umbrella on top.
Wildlife.
Wildlife.
Animal.
Is it open?
I don't know. Baka
Maybe after Memorial Square. Yeah. Long center of the Philippines.
This is my memorial city.
Yeah. How I can go close, right?
Underground.
Oh, there's underpass.
Underground.
Okay. And then I can come out there.
Oh.
I really enjoyed the ride. Bye bye. This underpass is supposed to lead me to the Memorial Square. I can go in, right?
Yes, okay, no
problem. Okay. One thing I'm noting about Quezon City versus Manila, and that is you get like that concrete jungle vibe with all of the condos and the high rises, while with Quezon it's much more family friendly and lots of nature. This monument behind me is what was built to honor the second president of the Philippines. I also know that his remains and his wife's remains is also in that monument. So it's an actual tribute to one of the past presidents of the Philippines. I think one thing I also love about Quezon City is that it's very colorful, it's vibrant, and it is artful. Like, I feel like a lot of artists reside in this town. This garden is also a car park. Selfie, 50 pesos per copy.
Ready, 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, cool.
1, 2, 3, go.
Good?
Thank you.
Alright, sure.
Where are you going?
I'm trying to go to the what is the animals?
Animals on backside.
Yeah, so how do I need to get out of here, right?
No, you know.
Okay.
Down.
Okay, underpass.
Okay.
Come out.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Yeah. Bye.
Turn right.
Okay, right?
Lambo.
There's a fan here, so I'm just gonna take in some of the air.
Tagalog?
A little bit. Konting lang.
Konti lang. Emote.
Emote, what's that?
Emotion.
Emotional. Bye bye. Bye, ate. There is something that I'm seeing from here, and I think you guys are gonna love this one. It's a body of water. You know? It's video. Then I found this red ants. Right there. Okay, I feel like I'm running out of time, so I'll just try to see if I can do one more stop before heading to Cubao. This morning, while I was on my way, so I took the train, right? And one thing that I really noticed on the train was, you know, the men standing up for the women to sit down. Good to know that there's still some existence of that in the Filipino society. What I've also noticed is that there is much more regard for pregnant women, for women with children, for older men, and also for people with disability. It is like well stated everywhere you go. And the taxis, you also get discounts for people like that too. And also it's just blatantly out there saying that, you know, these are the people that come first in the society, and then everybody else can follow.
Follow me, ma'am.
Alright.
I'll tour you. Beautiful nature, ma'am.
Yeah, amazing. It's just
Bulwagan Ninoy.
Ninoy. So it's the Ninoy Park, right? Ninoy Park. Ninoy Aquino.
Yes, Ninoy Aquino Park.
Well, when I met the two ladies again, they recommended that I come here. They actually brought me here literally, which was really nice of them. So the air here is just amazing. Trying to place my phone in between rocks so I can get a background.
Do you like Philippines?
Oh, yeah. I paid 30 pesos for all of this. Which one is easiest? This one is faster. Okay, thank you.
What's your name?
Abby. Hi, Kuya. Oh, wait. I'm going to Bukai Ukai. Do you know what it is? I like the system of the aircon that goes to the back. Yeah. To shift my appointment till 2:30, so I'll see what I can squeeze in between the extra minutes that I have before heading towards the dentist office in. Oh, lots of taxis here.
Eat lunch.
Oh, lunchtime. I also notice here, everything is small, everything is quaint, everything is family owned. Like this Makati idea of, you know, the big malls and all of that, but this is just totally different. It's like polar opposite from what I'm used to of what Makati is. So that's hi. Just looking around. Yeah. It's a school.
Yeah, good.
Oh, it's nice.
Sisters only.
Huh? Sisters only.
Yeah. No,
No boys, so only girls school.
Only girls.
Is it boarding school or day? Day school?
Yeah.
Day,
But
okay.
now temporary online because the
Yeah,
pandemic.
COVID-19. Crazy. Alright.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah.
We go first.
And then?
Then you ride jeep.
Okay. Wait. Quezon Avenue. Quezon Avenue. That one is good. And then you go straight again. I don't have to remove my braces.
Yeah, I'll give you a letter for the dentist, like, you can bring your teeth.
Alright, perfect. That's a good idea. Oh, sorry.
Open like this?
I'm done with my adjustment, so I'm heading back to Makati right now.